Yes, welcome on the breakout video on the CES 2025 faytech of our AI camera rail. And this is really a very special product. We patented it. So the specialty is we have not just lights, which are quite bright, but we have different camera modules we can include and daisy chain within the light. And this is the innovation that you can easily clip the lights together and you can place wherever you want camera modules in. And we have here a so-called aisle module. It overviews 18 meters. And we have shelf models here without the case. Over there with the case, shelf module means that you look left, right to the shelves. And the next innovation is on every camera module we have an AI, a small AI processor. And we can compute and run AI models. And so we don't need a star connection like we have now, but we have a daisy chain connection where you can just process and send already calculated results. And that means one network cable is able to serve 15 to 30 meters. So your installation is so much easier than now. And the costs are much more attractive. And we have now already 2 proof of concepts in Germany in supermarket chains running. And what we provide to our customers is an REST API, steadily developing further. This is now version 1.4. And you can see it here that you can change the camera angle. We have motors there, the focus. And the main features are that you can get a picture, a stream, or you can run an AI program. And this is, let's say, the manual overview. You can for sure fully automatize it. We have a connection now to the S3 cloud, to Azure, that automatically pictures are stored, videos, whatever happening. We provide already agent programs like make a picture just when no person is in. For sure you can make heat maps. We follow all the data regulations. And we use it now for in proof of concepts for sales calculation, for example, on foods and objectives. We check, does it need to be refilled? We start providing heat maps. The next thing, for sure, everybody's interested in theft control and action. And for sure, the final goal is the frictionless shopping. I believe that's still 3 to 5 years away. Happy to realize it with you faster. And we're really excited about this product. And it's 2 markets. We started now in supermarkets, but we also installed it in our factory to start tracking all our parts, articles, objects to help running our factory efficient. So when you're interested, also contact us. There will you hear a lot from us in the next years. Visit best our booth next year at the CES 2026. See you there. Thanks.